Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. So yan na po ang ating luto na po ang ating escabeche tilapia. So yan na po guys. So yan. Our tilapia. I like head. Head of the tilapia guys. So yan. Kain na po tayo guys. So ito ang ating tilapia olams. So my mom is, I will call my mom over there. This is my favorite head of tilapia. So yan guys. Kasi ayaw man ng mother ko ng ulo dahil maraming tinik. Yan guys. Let's eat. Let's eat now. Okay. My babies now. Very noisy outside of the... So yan. Yes, you. Okay. Thank you for watching right now. Okay. Thanks guys for watching.